Look at how cool this looks. The sun is going down. Oh, it looks so cool as the sun goes down. The way the lighting is, kind of cool. There's the moon, but you can barely see it because the city's so ugly. In the distance, that's the old city hall at the sunset. Look at how cool this looks. There's not many good-looking buildings in this city, so we're trying to find some. This used to be the Trump Tower. Now it's the St. Regis Tower. One of the most expensive buildings in the city. Look at the engravings here. That's kind of cool. Ooh, Corvette C8. Look at that. This used to be Temperance Street. They film a lot of movies here. And then there's Index Condos. There's always some tarts down there. And here's the nice buildings. And there's the old City Hall. One of the only nice buildings left. It is kind of cool. So here it is. We're almost at it. It's kind of cool. Here we are. We're arriving at this. Looks really cool as the sun goes down and against it. Here's the old City Hall as the sun goes down. Kind of cool. It looks really nice with the purple bluish sky in the back. Look, there's the moon in the background. And here we are. We're here. Gonna end the video in a minute. Got the ugly commerce in the back, but this is still really nice to see. That's pretty cool as the sun goes down.